At 5,000 feet, this F-18 is testing a new bomb deployment system. The mission? Drop a 250-pound bomb while a smaller Skyhawk chase plane observes. Then, the unthinkable. Without its right wing, the Skyhawk loses control. The pilot and co-pilot plummet toward Earth. The co-pilot manages to bail out and deploys his parachute. Hoping to regain control, the pilot remains inside, fighting for his life while falling at terminal velocity. Another look at the footage reveals how this incident could have been prevented. The bomb should have dropped, avoiding the Skyhawk flying 21 feet above. But the turbulence between the two aircrafts creates a vacuum, sucking the bomb straight into the chase plane. From this angle, the pilot clearly banks the Skyhawk to the left as he sees the bomb approaching. The aircraft is hit, and the pilot's desperate attempt to escape continues as he plummets toward Earth. With every second the pilot falls, his chances of survival get slimmer and slimmer. After falling for seemingly an eternity, an opening appears through the flames, allowing the pilot to bail out, narrowly escaping his burning jet. After falling for nearly a mile, the Skyhawk slams into the bay. Fortunately for the pilots, the test bomb was actually filled with concrete. Had the bomb been real, this incident would have probably killed everyone on board both jets. Naval testing procedures now require fighter planes to fly a minimum of 200 feet apart, so that a mid-air mishap like this one should never happen again.